Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Ying with Donna. Today is December the 14th, 2023, and boy do I have some goodness to send your way. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to do an unboxing. Kathleen, the owner of Sticky Rollers, has sent me a box, and I've been a little tied up the last month or so and have neglected opening it and showcasing the contents on my channel. And for that, Kathleen, I am sorry for the delay. But let's get this box open, see all of the goodness that she has sent my way that I'll be able to show you all. So let me get this puppy open and off we're going to go. She is owner of Sticky Rollers. She reached out and asked me if I would be able to demonstrate on my channel and showcase her items. So I'm going to move the box off and just sit all of the contents up on my table. That way I have just a smidge more room that I'll be able to show you. So the box is now empty. Kathleen is located in North Carolina, and all the goodness that she has sent my way, I am just like totally blown away. So let me open everything up. She packages it so well, and I will show you everything that this young lady has sent my way. Let me just lay these bags out so we have a really nice view for you. She did ship in Ziploc bags in case the content of the bags would happen to leak. And what she has sent me is some Dawn dish soap. It's a powerful wash, platinum, and this is what she has sent along. It's a spray refill, and this will go into the water that I have set aside over here. And we're going to get this party started. I'm going to open up the sticky rollers and let you have a look-see just as I do. We're going to have a bird's eye view. So give me just a second here. I want to put all of everything set aside. The packaging is outstanding. And if you're interested, I will be giving you all of the information in the description box below. This is a sticky roller, keeps everything. It picks up everything but the kitchen sink. It says dust, lint, fur threads, hair, combs, coins, glitter, seeds, dirt, confetti, and so much more. Use on your clothes, your car, your boat. Your lampshade, your furniture contains everything that it needs to pick up. To clean, you're just going to wrench it in warm water with a little dab of the Dawn dish soap, and it's going to keep your sticky roller nice and tidy. When you're not using it, you're going to put it back into its holder. So this is a cool little cradle. There's directions on the inside of it as well. And it gives you the same directions that I just said. Wrench with warm to hot, not scalding. Cold water makes the sticky rollers, the debris stick to it. Dry with a lint-free towel, which I have already got set up over here. I've already got my warm water. Wash with degreasing detergent, which we've already got the dish soap. Do not use this on wall or paneling. And this is designed, it'll pick up all of your batting. This is going to be a game changer here in our studio. So let me peel this puppy off. We're going to get ready to start testing here. She's also sent this Knobby along, and this is quite cool as well. The Knobby, it will help as you're accumulating everything into a pile, and any tough stuff this is going to pick up. So I will be using this Knobby as well, and I may even get to demonstrate that. So let me get all of this goodness. I think this Knobby is really cool, and you can't go wrong. I'm telling you, the girls got it all going on over there. So if you have not checked out or heard of Sticky Rollers, please give it a go. Check it out and see what you think. I've put a splash into my water basin. I could use this, but I'm not going to do the whole setup on that. And then I've got the large sticky roller. And trust me, it's picking up everything. I've also got the small sticky roller. And then I've got the pocket that all of us girls need. So this has the same information on the outside, but for today, I'm going to go ahead and just pick up everything on the table. I'm going to go over this information card here in just a moment. But I know I have so much lint and threads on all of my design boards. I figure this is the best way for me to really give this puppy a test. Because you know how everything sticks. So why not just give it a real good hard test? So it picked up everything and it looks new again. So I'm going to do a few of these. All right, now we're on to another one. My sticky roller is not so sticky right now because it's all gonked up. So now let's shift over here and we're going to test the theory of cleaning it. So I've got my Dawn dish soap. I've got my really warm water. So let's see if this puppy really does what it says. So all we're going to do is just run your fingers over it, down in the water, and it's just going to remove all of that nasty from all of the strings. Give it one more final dip. And then we're going to just dry it off and see if the sticky comes back. And then we're going to go again. So let's see if it kept its sticky. So we're just going to do this a few times because if I'm going to endorse something, I want to make sure that I'm getting it and supporting it just the way it needs to be. Now, look at that. Is that not gorgeous? It's gotten it all picked up. I think that's pretty stinking cool. What do you think? So I'm going to submerge again because I've got one really tough one. We'll do it, and then I'm going to try the Knobby as well. So you're getting to see everything firsthand just like me. Then we're going to know if this is a product that you want. If it is, make sure that you check out the description box below, and you're going to find all of the goodness in there to where you can place your orders. So I've got it patted dry. I'm going to leave this one lay just a second. Let's do the Knobby next. This one says KnobbyStickyRoller.com. So you can even do it that way. So let's see. It feels like one of those that are going to give us good results. So all you do is just rub it in a couple different directions. Now that is pretty stinking cool. And it's picking up everything nice and simple. And this will even work on your clothes. Now how cool is that? Look at all of that. That is really something else. Let's do another one. I'm going to flip it to the other side just to see if there's a difference on sides. And I think these are a shoo-in for any sewing space. I'm going to keep the little one, I can tell you, in my purse. Because when you have a pet-friendly home, it's always good when you see a little bit of lint on your clothes to go ahead and snag it off straight away. Wow. Is that not crazy? This is just like a total score. Wow. Love, love, love it. So, let me do... I want to find a really, really bad one to see if I can get it to fail for us. You think? I think this is a win. 100% win. No fail here. And I'm telling you, Kathleen knocked it out of the park with this. And you don't have to put a lot of pressure at all. I'll have to reach out to her. This would be cool in my bag as well. Wow. 3 boards, and look at all of that yuck. And I normally do my boards about once a month. So, This is a definite keeper. Now, one more time, we're going to do this really quick. Look how nasty my board is. So we're going back to the roller one final time. And we're just going to see how much this puppy can pick up. I like to do this across quilts as I'm packing them to send them out. I pushed too hard. So this was my error, not the roller. I put too much pressure on that side. So we've got this all cleaned up nice and tidy. Got a couple little strings there. But it was quite dirty, so let's get back to the bucket. And we're going to clean this one final time. And then I'll show you all of the nasty that's down in this water. Make sure that you use lukewarm water to hot. Do not use cold water at all. This is a game changer, I'm telling you. It's the whole caboodle. It is the Dawn dish soap. It is the little mini. It is the handheld small one as well as the large. Added bonus with this that she sent me was the Knobby. And I'm telling you what, win-win all the way around. This is amazing. The stickiness is back. And the way you're going to store it is you're going to put it right back down in because you want to keep everything together, right? So it is locked in place. It's got a couple little nubby holes there to make sure that everything stays in place. And right there it is. So that it's going to stay not bunged up, not banged up. So I'm going to leave this here for a second. You're going to get the large. You're going to get the medium. You're going to get the handheld. You're going to get the Knobby. You're going to get the Dawn dish soap. Or she just sent that to me. And then let me show you how much grossness come off of my... Is that not crazy? That's mind-blowing. So, with all of that being said, make sure that you go into your computers, your iPads, your cell phones, whatever you do when you're ordering, and just type in thestickyroller.com. That's going to take you straight to her website where you're going to be able to, hey, Kathy, I saw you over at Donna's. I want to order. Go down through everything that she's got and place your orders. That's it. Plain and simple. Kathleen, thank you for sending it along my way to test. I can tell you right now, it works amazing. Take care, everyone. God bless and have a fabulous day.